Mushi mushi yamamoto-sai, yankadis. My team is going to put together the entire docket and you'll have it with you in 3 working days. Thank you so much. Mushi mushi. Let me tell you a secret. I love working from home. I mean, I can literally pitch to clients wearing this. Super comfortable and cool, right? But let me tell you, my work from home hasn't really ended. I'm still doing it. I mean, content creation is an individual thing. You do it from offices, you do it from homes as well. अब work from home के फंडे सिर्फ पजामे और जॉगर्स में थोड़ी होते हैं. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं which make it even better. I am going to show you some of the best apps and tools that you can use for your work from home purposes. So, let's start. Slack. If you want some incredible team bonding, make the team use Slack. Slack use करने से ना टीम के काम में कोई slack नहीं आता. Rather, it becomes better. Slack isn't a new app by any means. The company has been around since 2009 and it slowly grew over time. And even before the coronavirus pandemic hit, it was already one of the most popular work from home apps around. सिर्फ नाम Slack है, लेकिन भर के effective features है, such as channels, Slack Connect, app integrations, and a lot more. It's so beloved that big companies like Netflix and Uber also use it for remote and in-office workers. Impressive, right? The best part is that anyone can use Slack for free. And it's cross-platform and cross-compatible as well. याद है मैंने आपको बताया? Free. The free plan allows access to last 10,000 messages sent within the app. So if you want access to your archives, you or your employer or your client will have to pay for a subscription. Slack's free plan also supports integration with 10 third-party applications, one-on-one voice and video calls, and 5 gigabytes of total storage. आगे बढ़ते हैं to the second one, another very effective app. Zoom. अरे, your video is on. Sorry, I was speaking on mute. किसी को सुनाई ही नहीं दिया. These statements are common parlance since the pandemic. Zoom offers video calls for individuals, teams, and companies of any size. Zoom's popularity grew because it proved much more reliable than other options like Skype and other Zoom alternatives, which at that time suffered from calls freezing, lagging, or even dropping. लेकिन Zoom में ये problems कभी नहीं आए. Many others started using Zoom because of the ability to share screens and presentations as well. And it's for this very reason that Zoom also became synonymous with online school and classes. Thanks to the accessibility of this app, it's grown exponentially with no signs of stopping at all. Zoom की एक और कमाल की बात ये है that it's cross-platform, guys, and cross-compatible as well with apps from Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS as well. You can also use it straight from the browser. Microsoft Teams. Parampara, Pratishtha, Anushasan. Teams feels like that online workspace where everything is prim and proper and super efficient. Just like Amitabh Bachchan's school, Gurukul in Mohabbatein. He would have really loved Teams. It's part of the Microsoft Office 365 Suite subscription, but also has a limited free version available. As a Slack alternative, it offers many similar features. If you would like to use Microsoft Teams, you can experience the app through their trial period. The paid subscriptions start at just $5 per month per user. Although Microsoft develops it, Teams is available for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS as well. The fourth one and the oldest one from the lot is Skype. Yeah, I know. Zoom has your attention, guys. But in some ways, Skype was the OG. Gone are the days when Skype was popular only for school and college romances. Skype remains quite popular now as work-from-home app among many freelancers as it offers so many of its features for free. Skype allows for audio calls, video calls, group calls, and text chats as well. Skype also offers integration with the Microsoft Office suite. You can use Skype for free or pay as you go. You can also do a subscription if you prefer. Skype is compatible with Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. The last one on our list, Crisp. Guys, do you live in a noisy locality? Because I do, and I know how annoying that is. But don't let your screaming neighbors and their kids ruin your work calls. Crisp is a noise cancellation solution that helps remove echo and background noise from online meetings. You can use Crisp for free for 240 minutes per week and paid plans start at $5 per month. The best part is that you can use it with other work from home applications. So guys, before I sign off, I have to say something. Your workflow is deeply personal and only you know how well an app will work for you. That is why most productivity apps have some form of a free version or a trial period so you can try them before you buy. Take the trial and see what works for you. But if there is one that doesn't need a trial, that is this: joggers and pajamas. Try them out. ट्रायल की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. चलो, मैं तो चला अपने वर्क फ्रॉम होम के लिए. See you next time. Oh, by the way, do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.